Hello, what is meditation? So if you're here right now, that's the question you're asking yourself. You're asking, is it a spiritual practice? Is it something psychological? Is it something I can do? And the answer is 100% you can do it. You don't need to be worried about having to sit kind of cross-legged. You don't have to be worried about having any particular beliefs. Meditation is not a belief system. It's not a religion. Obviously, lots of religions practice meditation, but if we boil it down to mindfulness, which I feel most people are looking for, to calm the mind, to calm the heart, to find some peace, reduce anxiety, and then raise the energy so that we can perform better in life, meditation is absolutely something that you can do. And so I guess in terms of debunking some ideas about meditation, again, it's not for people who have been practicing psychology or religion or yogis, any of these things. Absolutely anyone can do it. You can start at any age. You can be 8 years old or 80. It can always work, bring you calm, bring you peace, bring you vitality. I started in my early 20s. I've been practicing for 20 odd years now, and I love it. It's absolutely helped me in so many situations where without it I would have been completely overwhelmed. And I think it's a beautiful tool that everyone should have access to. And it really is kind of very simple. And there's so many benefits in terms of reducing blood pressure, calming the stomach if you've got kind of stomach issues, constantly kind of churning. If you're even asthmatic, again, these are not cures. I'm not suggesting meditation is a cure, but just to calm, calm the heart, calm the chest, calm the breathing, to open the lungs a little. So if you're having kind of panic attacks, it can calm you down, anxiety attacks, whatever it may be. Equally, if you're looking for a little bit more clarity, for intentions to set, you have projects that you want to work on and you want to have a vision, meditation's perfect for that. And so in the next few videos, and this is a brand new channel and I'm going to run with this as long as people want to see these videos, every video I'm going to explore a different aspect of meditation, whether it be non-attachment, loving kindness, letting go of control or perfectionism, or just building a daily practice. And it really is very simple. It could be 5 minutes in the day, 10 minutes, just as you start, as you wake up with the sun rising, or it can be as you go to bed, to calm down, to switch off the mind. So meditation can really be to wake you up, to energize you, to set your intentions, but then it can be to calm you down, to shift gear before going to bed. And it's something you can do anywhere. This channel is Meditate Anywhere, and that's my real intention for myself as well, to meditate wherever I am, to deal with whatever distractions, because there are always distractions. And they're always to put meditating off. I put meditating off a lot. It's not perfect, it's not the right time. So in creating this channel, I'm giving myself the intention, this is my meditation as well, to meditate wherever I am, to share where I am. And that's a big part of meditating in this channel, Meditate Anywhere, so that you're physically anywhere. And it could always be at home, in the same place, the same chair, stool, bed, but to tune into where you are emotionally, where you are in your body, in your emotions. Because we often lose a sense of who we are and where we are. We're so busy. We're not connected to the space around us, and we're not connected to ourselves. I'm sure there are many more questions that you have around meditation. You can put those in the comments at the end when we're finished. But for now, we'll share just a short 4 or 5 minute meditation just to connect to a sense of calm, this peace, and a sense of what it can bring you in your life. So wherever you are now, just sit with your eyes closed. You can sit upright if that's comfortable for you, but you can also lie down. The danger of lying down is you might fall asleep, but if you're really exhausted, if it's the end of the day, it's okay if you fall asleep, if that's what you need right now. And so with any meditation, just bring your attention to your breath. That's where we always start. Just take 3 deep breaths. And as you sit and breathe, just allow your shoulders to become a little heavier and your arms to become a little looser by your sides. And your hands, you don't have to be holding them in any position. Just allow them to flop, to hang loose. Because right now all we're focusing on is releasing tension, releasing the stress. Just imagine a shower or gentle waterfall dripping water on the very top of your head. And with each drip, it runs down the back of your head, down your neck, between your shoulders, vertebra by vertebra, down to the base of your spine. Just imagine this drip, drip, drip of water very gently on the top of your head, down your back to the base of your spine. And now imagine this same drip of water splitting. So it splits, running down the back of your head, between your shoulders to the base of your spine, but also down the front of your face, down your forehead, across your cheeks, over your jaw. Just allow your jaw to loosen. Down your throat, the front of your throat, allowing your throat to loosen. Down through the center of your chest, relaxing your ribs. Down to your belly, where it collects in your navel. Just allow this water to keep on dripping, running down your back, between your shoulders, releasing the tension there, and running down through your face, loosening your jaw, loosening and opening up your throat, your chest, and collecting like a pool, small pool of calmness in your navel. And just allow this pool of water to gently grow, drop by drop by drop in your belly. Now imagine your belly filled with this gentle water, calming your belly. And the same water rising, this pool rising up through your chest into your heart, bringing calm and stillness to your heart. Rising up still further through your shoulders, feeling your arms and hands, filling your head to the very top. So now you're filled with this calming, still, very strong water. This water has weight. It brings life. It's also very still. And allow this same water now to spread and fill down through your legs, your knees to your feet. So your whole body is filled with this strong but still water. And now into this water we're going to add one more very special drop of water. And this one extra drop we're going to add is an intention. And so an intention isn't about I will do this or that to X or Y person. For now we're going to keep it simple. I feel strength. I feel joy. I am strong. Something grounding, emotional, that we can state right now. We're not going into future scenarios, but we're building your body, calming your energy. Let's just find a simple phrase for yourself now as you imagine this special drop of water dripping onto the very top of your head. Find your word, find your intention. Allow this drop of water to carry on traveling down through your head, filling the whole of your head, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your belly, down to the tips of your toes, and through your arms to your fingers. So just allow yourself to breathe and sit in this space just for a moment now. Feeling this strength, feeling this calm, grounding with your intention. To close, we'll take 3 deep breaths again. And slowly begin to move your body, your hands, your arms, your feet. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Coming back to wherever you are. Hopefully feeling a little more grounded, stronger, more connected to where you are now. In your emotions, in your body. So keep this feeling with you now. There's going to be a lot more videos to come, so feel free to share, to subscribe, all that business. But whatever, either way, I'm making these videos. They're coming at you. They'll be on YouTube, they'll be on the web, wherever you want to find them. So have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video.